Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of calls not showing on the application of Telegram. We will go to settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. And then here you can update your app and you can update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like